Today I'm going to show you how to sync your OneDrive for Business account with your computer. So what you'll do is you'll go to the home screen or the desktop and you will select Internet Explorer, go to the CISD website, and then at the top right you'll want to click on Microsoft Online. When you go there, it will take you to the Office 365 login, so you'll want to type in your email address provided to you by the district. And when you hit Tab or Enter, it's going to redirect you, and you should get a pop-up. Now this pop-up is allowing you to log into our SharePoint server on Microsoft's computers, so you'll type in your computer login, not your email address. Then your password. You might want to hit remember my credentials, especially if you're using your own computer at your desk or in your office. You'll want to select that. I'm not, so I'm not going to select it. Hit OK, and then you should be logged into your Microsoft Online account. Now when you go here, it might be on the news feed or it might be on the sites page, so you'll want to select OneDrive and make sure you're at your OneDrive, since that's what we're trying to sync. And there are two places you will see the word sync. Underneath documents you might see sync, or at the top right underneath where your name is you might see sync. Wherever it is that you see the word sync, you'll want to click on sync. Sync now. Allow it to do what it needs to do. And then we should get another pop-up. And then for the last time you'll hit sync now. Now if that pop-up doesn't show, you might see some clouds that come up right here at the bottom in your taskbar. If that's the case, you'll click on that and then you'll see the sync now and you'll be able to click on it. Now when it's completely done syncing, you'll see show my files. All we've done was created a folder on our computer that talks non-stop with your OneDrive online account. So that's all we've done. We've not put any files in there. We've not moved our H drive to that. All we've done was create that easy access folder. So, and you'll see that it says OneDrive for Business here underneath their favorites. And it also has the little blue clouds here in the upload center. So right now, something we can do is I'm going to go open my File Explorer and look at my H drive. I'll just move an entire folder so you can see. So I've got my H drive here on the left. I've got my OneDrive for Business here on the right, and it's as simple as right-clicking, saying copy, and then I'm going to right-click on this other side and say paste, and then it starts to load my information. These little circles that you see on the icons, when you see a green circle with a check mark, that means everything's good. If you see a white circle with blue arrows that are in a circular pattern, that means I'm working on this folder right now. If you see a red circle with an X, that means there's something funky here. Either there's a name with a % sign or a dollar symbol or something odd, maybe a decimal at the end, and you have to rename it. No big deal. Rename, hit enter, and it'll save it. Or it could be iTunes music, and it doesn't really like the format of the iTunes files, so you'll have to find somewhere else to back that up. No big deal. But my stuff is loaded properly, and then so I'm going to close these two. Remember, this is just my easy access folder. When I look online and I hit refresh, I see my music folder there as well. So I've taken care of what I needed to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and don't forget to log out, which is what I'm fixing to do right now. If you click on your name at the top right, you can see sign out, and make sure you sign out of your account.